What's up everyone? So today's video will be very special because I'm showing you in practice how to act on your values and not on your emotions. So I'm surrounded by a lot of students here and I'm in public vlogging, so to say, but better said, making an educational video. Now the sound, I'm trying to keep it good because that's one of my values, so I'm trying to be vocal. But what you're seeing here is, for example, if you go through procrastination, a lot of times the brain brings up thoughts like, oh, this is not the right time, like this might not be the right time, I should have a quiet place, or I need a quiet place to meditate. Look at the corgi. I need a quiet place to meditate, or I need a quiet place to make this video. By you avoiding doing those things, you're showing your brain that those things are dangerous. So by avoiding, you're showing the brain that it's dangerous, and your brain has three things, right? Even the wind right now, the brain might say, oh no, they're not gonna pay that much attention because the wind and the audio is not gonna be good and it's not gonna get that many views. But if I show my brain, I'm doing it anyway, even with the feelings that this video might be a waste of time, or with thoughts that I'm not good enough, or I'm not ready yet, or I have to learn more about making vlogs outside or something, then I feed those patterns. And those patterns are gonna come up more and more and more without stopping, okay? And especially if you avoid even social settings because of anxiety, you're showing your brain that the thing that you value, actually connecting with people, is dangerous. And then the brain, like I said, has only three expressions: thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. So it cannot protect you from those dangerous situations that you tell it to by avoiding them, by holding you back, having tentacles, or like telling you to not to. It just gives you emotions like depression or more anxiety, more social anxiety, because it knows then you're not going to go out. Do you see what I'm saying? The brain doesn't react to you talking to it, it reacts to your behavior. So you now have to be the adult, and even though the old patterns of the brain, the little child is saying, no, we cannot vlog outside, we cannot do this, people are going to look at us, we're going to be embarrassed. Plus, I'm probably the only one walking around with no shirts and barefoot. And that's also one of my values. I could be like, oh, I'm gonna put shoes on and all that. But actually, you walking barefoot with the floor, with the magnetic field, is so good for your body. It's so healthy for you. Plus, it trains your little muscles in the foot. Do you see how that is one of my values? And I'm overriding might be their emotions of, oh, anxiety, I should look like everyone else, or have to be agreeable to, and then you create more not being yourself. This is actually the practice of being yourself, unapologetically being yourself. And then you're gonna meet people who have similar values. What's up, man?
Are you on TikTok?
Yes, I am.
Bro, I think I follow you.
Oh, I appreciate it, man.
That's so sick. I saw you yesterday, I was gonna talk to you, but like...
Yeah. Talk to me next time. I'm making a video right now. Oh, what do you want to say?
Oh no, I support you. I think it's
I
cool.
appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Jake.
Jake?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Like, when you see me next time, talk to me.
Yeah,
all right, good to see you, man. So, and even then I can like stop, and even when the brain says, oh no, but the retention, I have to stay with you guys, then I still keep going. And I do the thing that I value, which is supporting that person, right? Yes, I got to do this vlog right now. I got to go somewhere. But at the same time, my value is also someone who appreciates me. I really appreciate. And this is actually funny because look, I'm walking barefoot. I have no shirt on, right? Everybody else kind of a little bit different. And now, yeah, there's going to be some people who judge me. But even by seeing this video, me putting myself out there, there's probably some students at UCLA who's gonna come up next time to me and be like, I saw your videos, you walking barefoot, I think it's cool, I'm gonna do the things that I value too. And then you meet people that are similar values instead of meeting people who are just like following the TikTok trends and regurgitating all the trends up there. Like everybody's wearing white Air Force Ones on campus, all that. So that's part of why I'm making this video, to show you guys that you're gonna break procrastination. That's how you break procrastination. It's not about that small video, it's about the big picture. The big picture, and you building the skills to be a better painter. But you don't make it about this one video. Don't think, oh, when I start this podcast, my first video has to be so amazing. You just do the video as good as you can with any emotions and thoughts, and you're gonna build skills doing it. And over time, you're painting a more beautiful picture. All right, guys? So I'm gonna keep walking here a little bit more, but I wanted to show you guys about procrastination, and then it's so important to act on your values. That's an example of acting on your values. I wanted to show you guys a representation of acting on your values. This might be not something that I normally have to do because I have enough time to go in a space where it's quieter, where you guys can hear me better. But right now I did it because it's a value for me to teach you guys practical, instead of just staying in front of the camera and just teaching lessons. Practically, I, as an example, am doing it to share this and share it in a way that you guys understand, even though there might be anxiety or thoughts that say, oh, I cannot do this. So yeah, I wish you guys a beautiful day. Gonna upload this now, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.